Already mentioned your small block Ford. Descriptions coming in. Got our silver ass cascade. We got the Edelbrock manifold with fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, custom grind hydraulic roller. Got a front sump oil pan. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 492 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 500, peak torque power 460, so everything's good. We'll pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple things here. We receive your engine, find the signal credit card. USB card, it is full of technical information. The crate will be this new spec sheet. Highly recommend reading all. Have a great day.